Hey, welcome to Vegan Finds. And if you're wondering what this is, these are lion's mane mushrooms. And aside from being absolutely tasty, they also have a lot of really great health benefits. One of the great things about mushrooms is that aside from adding a lot of protein to your diet, they have a lot of secondary benefits. I don't know what the secondary benefits of the lion's mane mushrooms are, but I'm sure if you can use that Google thing, you'll be able to find all sorts of information about how healthy they are for you to eat. So, in order to make the lion's mane mushroom, we're going to be turning this into a taco, and I'm going to be glazing it with a peach barbecue sauce. I'm going to link the video on how to make the peach barbecue sauce, but you can use any barbecue sauce with this. Again, this is just something, we have an abundance of peaches, so I made peach barbecue sauce. We happen to like it, and you know, you got to kind of use stuff in season as much and as quickly as possible. When the stuff is ripe, gobble it up and enjoy the ride. So I'm going to start prepping by slicing up some peppers and onions, and I'm just going to saute those quickly. Those are going to be added to our taco as a topping, and then I'm going to show you how to make the lion's mane mushroom itself. Okay, so I've got my pan, it's heated up. I just took out the onions and peppers that I sauteed. I'm just going to add a little bit of avocado oil to this because I don't want the mushrooms sticking. And I'm not doing anything to these mushrooms other than going to get them sauteing. Okay, so I'm basting our mushrooms with the peach habanero sauce right now. And so I'm just trying to get a little liberal coating on here. I'm going to flip them over, get the other side, and these suckers are almost done cooking. They got a nice little char going on. Oh, that habanero is kicking in right there, boys. Just inhaled a nice bit of that. Woo! And the great thing about lion's mane mushrooms is that you could get them to mimic things like crab, so you can make crab cakes with them. They got a nice earthy flavor to them as well. So, depending on how you prep them, you can get them to basically taste exactly how you like. I'm going to finish these off, and then I'm going to show you how to put together the taco. You'll probably be eating it by the spoonful. We're talking about the barbecue sauce. So, these are the finished tacos, or I should say the finished lion's mane mushrooms. Holy cow. I've caught whatever Doris had. And I'm just going to be toasting up some gluten-free tortillas here. Normally I would be using a corn tortilla for this, but for some reason cannot find them. Very odd indeed. What? Talking about the corn tortillas. What?
You can't find them?
No, I can't find them. And they would be a better fit for this, but see, once you can see them start to puff up, that's how you know it's ready. So I'm going to start to assemble this. I'm just going to shut this off.
Actually, I think these will work better because they're a little bit larger.
Okay.
So because the corn ones are so small.
Yeah, that's exactly what you want. You want it just to be a little bit toasty.
See how it's puffing up?
Yeah. Going to lay down some taco, some lion's mane. Gonna put a little of our pepper and onion mix. We're gonna top it with a little pepper jack. And then we're just gonna burn our hands.
Yeah, but you.
Alright, it is hot. Definitely hot. Just gonna give it a little squeeze. And there you have. God, the handle on this thing gets so blipping hot. I burnt myself, see? I got punished for my laughing at somebody there. So Doris is breaking out the plate. She's been scooping up that peach barbecue sauce like it's chocolate fudge.
I have not.
And I'm gonna make one for myself now. And there you go. It's a lion's mane peach barbecue habanero sauce taco. Doris is going to eat this one.
Bye.
All right, so I got some editor notes from the head chef. She said, put a little cheese on this first. Let it get melty. Use less of the onions and peppers. I'm going to just put on just a little bit, teeny tiny bit. Should I put on more barbecue sauce on the actual? All right, so there you heard from the pro. Now I'm just going to top it with a little bit more of the barbecue sauce. Gonna turn that over while trying not to burn the crap out of my hands. And there you have a lion's mane taco with peach habanero barbecue sauce. So if you like these videos, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, tell everyone, tell the neighbors, tell the wife, tell the kids that you're going to have lion's mane tacos tonight. Change it up Taco Tuesday, make it lion's mane Taco Tuesday. Be safe, be well, sayonara.